Hi, I'm Anny from HemaDAO. GOC has been really popular recently. Some people still haven't exchanged their GOC blind boxes. Today, I'll teach you how to exchange your GOC blind boxes. First, you need to use the official wallet. The official wallet requires version 1.7.0. Otherwise, errors may occur. Unknown errors may also pop up. Then, open the GOC official website. Here's the website address. Scroll down and click here. Remember the number of your blind box. Mine is 1650. Input 1650 here. Then, click download offer. Okay, download's done. Now, drag the offer file to the blank space on the right. When it's loaded, click here. Then, drag and drop the file. Wait for it to load. Now it's loaded. Click here. Click yes. Done. Click OK. Wait for a few minutes. Check if you have received the NFT. If not, try closing the wallet and reopening it. If it still hasn't arrived, keep checking every few minutes. I checked at least 10 times during this process. It took about 3 to 5 minutes from the end. I didn't keep track of the time. After restarting the wallet, it showed up. So, close and reopen the wallet to check again. I closed the wallet, then reopened it. Now it should show up. At the bottom, the 1650 NFT has arrived. It looks pretty good. Hurry and exchange it. Now, I'll explain how to trade NFTs. On this site, GOC, people are selling their GOC NFTs. The version of your official wallet doesn't matter. I'm still using 1.7.0. The interface may differ based on the version. Click here. Then, set your desired price here. This is where you input the price you want to sell at. For example, if I want to sell 3xCH at this price, then I'll enter 3xCH on the right side here. Make sure to enter it on the right side. Don't count 3xCH on the left side. Wait for the image of this NFT on the left to load. Or you can just click on the upper right corner. Click here. At this point, you can click on it. This is directly creating an offer order. Then you can share it on GOC. Okay, he says there was an error, so let's try again. Now, it's sell on the GOC already. This means that the offer order has already been uploaded to the GOC website and shared. These are some other websites. Similarly, share them all. The more places it's displayed, the more people will see it, making it easier to sell. This is the order that was just placed. Let's take a look. It's already showing up now. Let me take another look inside GOC. I don't want to sell it for 3xch. I can cancel it here. For example, if I now want to sell it for 5xch, I'll click on the 3 points on the right side. Okay, let's take a look inside GOC. If you refresh it, you'll see it displayed. Many people habitually use GOC. See this 3xch for 1318? That's the order we just placed. Now, if I want to privately trade with someone on WeChat, what should I do with this offer? Click on the 3 points on the right side, and download this offer. Download it. Put this offer where we can find it later. Then use WeChat to send it to someone else, and send it to someone else. Just drag and drop this offer file and send it. Once they receive it, it's just like the GOC blind box exchange we talked about earlier. Drag and drop this offer file, and then click on the transaction button. Let's talk more about the official wallet. How to trade with version 1.6.0. This is the full node. Then open the NFT we want to trade. For example, 1617. Then create an offer. Write the price you want to sell at here. For example, if I want to sell for 3.8xch, click. And this place is the transaction fee. It's the gas fee. And at this point, you just click Create Offer File in the lower right corner. Take a look first, no problem. Create the offer file immediately. At this point, it's the same as before. Share with the GOC. Share this offer with the GOC. Click on the rest of them. This is where you save the offer file. Save it to a place where you can find it later. What if you want to cancel this offer file? The 3 points on the right. To cancel this offer file, click Cancel Offer File on the 3 points on the right, then fill in 0 in this place. Fill in 0 for the fee and cancel the offer file. Then it's already in the process of being cancelled. This is the same. The right triangle, then cancel the offer. Then select 0xch here and cancel the offer. Confirm to cancel the offer. It is now in the process of being canceled. This is quite simple. The main thing is that official wallet needs to be synchronized. Later, we will talk about how to trade on DEXI and how to trade on it using the Gobi wallet, the browser plugin wallet. Then how to trade on DEXI. First, connect to our wallet. Of course, first, you must have an NFTs in your wallet. Select it here. Select your NFT. I'll just choose 10 for 8. I want to sell 10 for 8 for 10xch. Click here to create an offer. Because I don't know why. Maybe I have too many NFTs. This place can't display it. It shows a problem. There should be no problem if you follow this operation. When you click create offer like this, there should be a confirm on the right. You can just click it, then you'll get an order like this. An offer file is here. You can also cancel it here. If you have any questions, you can leave us a message or contact us.